Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we learn about few important basic properties of circle like circumference, arc, chord, segment, diameter, radius, sector, tangent and secant of a circle. These are the few important concepts we must learn about circle. Moving to first property, circumference. Circumference of a circle is the outer edge of a circle, or it is the boundary of the circle. So the circumference is the perimeter of a circle. Students, now if we open a circle and make a straight line out of it, then the length of the straight line is the circumference. So circumference equals 2 pi r, where r is radius. Next property, arc of the circle. An arc of the circle is a part or segment of the circumference, or it is a portion of the circumference. An arc is named based on its endpoints like arc AB or arc PQ. If the length of an arc is exactly half of the circle, then it is called as semicircular arc. Next property, chord of a circle. The chord of a circle can be defined as a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. It is a line which joins any 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Here in this figure, chord is AB, that is AB units. And also the longest chord in a circle is the diameter, which passes through the center of the circle. Next property, radius of a circle. The distance between the center of a circle O to any point on the circle, we call that as radius. Here in this figure, OR is the radius. Radius is always equidistant from the center to any point on the circle. The plural form of radius is radii. Next property, diameter of a circle. The diameter is the length of the line which passes through the center that touches any 2 points on the circumference of the circle. The line which passes through the center and touches any 2 points on the circumference, we call that as diameter. Here diameter is PQ units. Diameter is equals 2 times the radius. Also we know that diameter is the biggest chord or the longest chord in the circle. Next property, segment of a circle. Segment of a circle is the region between a chord and its associated arc. If you observe the figure, if we draw a chord, there is a region between the arc and the chord. This we call as segment. There are 2 types of segment. One is minor segment of smaller area and major segment which is bigger area. Now moving to next property, sector. A sector of a circle is the portion of a circle enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. If we draw 2 radii in a circle, the portion between these 2 radii and the arc, we call that as sector. Again, we have 2 types of sector, minor sector of smaller area and major sector which is of larger area. Next important property, tangent. A tangent to a circle is a straight line which touches the circle at only one point. Here, the line is touching the circle at point P, only one point P. This line is called as tangent. A tangent is a straight line which touches the circle at only one point. This we call as tangent of a circle, which is very important property of a circle. Next important property, secant. Secant is a straight line which touches the circle at 2 points. Here, the straight line touching the circle at 2 points, M and N. Therefore, we call this line as secant. Secant is a line which touches the circle at 2 distinct points. We call that as secant. The difference between secant and tangent is it touches at only one point, secant touches at 2 points. Dear ones, thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe for more videos. Hopefully I have understood all the basic concepts.